man, this stuff is rough, but these plants love it.
You feel that?
Wish you guys could smell what you see here. This is pretty stinky stuff, right? But the plants love it. If you saw my last video where I was talking about the banana water and basically this is compost tea. I highly recommend like not eating a peanut butter and jelly sandwich whenever you're done getting this stuff out of here. Keep in mind, I keep on feeding this stuff more and more kitchen scraps, anything that'll add that nitrogen, calcium, potassium. You know, you even got eggshells in here. I'm not a fan of touching it, but it is what it is. So we're trying to, the goal here is to get like 3 gallons of it. Yeah, we just come over, Ghosty. Always water at the base, guys. Oh man, I got some on my phone. Oh, little guy, oh. But anyways, I water these like once a day. I already sprayed them with some, they need calcium. We're about to get some calcium in there for them. But these are pretty happy. We need to give them some of this good stuff to all of them. Ahicharapita. These will love it. These are Ahicharapita if you're in Port Charlotte, or honestly, we got customers from down in Fort Myers, Marco Island and stuff. This is why our plants at Icy Spicy, like they're not your average plants. You know what I'm saying? We take close attention to detail and care of all of them. You don't really have to worry about burning your plants with this stuff because it's all natural. There's no synthetic fertilizers to tear it up. Anyways, guys, this stinks, and like not for nothing, I just got this stuff all over my phone. I need to go wash it off. I'm tired of holding it. But anyways, Icy Spicy. Follow us for more amazingness.